Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Aiman bin Khairul Syahril.
Muhammad Luman Ali bin Khairul Fauzi.
Nur Patricia binti Hamdan.
Muhammad Hazif Fahmi bin Abdullah.
After we import the data from the Excel, first we need to change transaction date and product first sold date into date, data type, and we convert the online order to whole number. Then we click to sheet 1. Then we click to analysis and create a field. And by using this formula, we add the new variables. Then we rename our sheet to brand, revenue, and profit. From the data pane, we drag the brand into rows, list price into columns, and drag profit into color. And we set the chart type to bar chart. And then we click sort icon to descending to see the profit. We drag the list price into the label. And for the color, we change it to the red, green diverging for profit to look more intuitive. And this is our final visualization.
We are going to product line performance remap. First, we drag product line to color and filter none. Next, we drag product line to label. List price to size. And quick table calculation, we choose percent of total and drag list price to label and choose the same. Next, we go to label and edit label to bold. And then this is a final of visualization.
Next, we are going to make order number by branch and gender graph. First, we take brand into column to filter the null. And then we take transaction ID into rows and make it into measure count. And then we change the y-axis title into order number. Then we take gender into color marks and we filter the gender. Next, we take transaction ID into label and make it into measure count. Thus, this is the final visualization.
Next, we are going to do pie chart for online versus offline. At market, we choose pie. And then, we drag order channel to color, order channel to label, and then list price to angle, and choose count. And quick table calculation, we choose percent of total. Next, we drag list price again to label, and choose count and percent of total. So, this is the final visualization.
So we add a new sheet and we rename it as sales trend line. So we need the list price for the row and transaction date for the column. Since we need month, we add year and quarter, so we got month. So we remove the year and quarter. Then we got months. We make it as entire view and we label it list price and change the color to the red and bigger the size. So we got the sales trend line in 2017 by 12 months. Next, we want to make a new dashboard like this. So we add the new dashboard and we rename it as sales performance dashboard. So we make it as automatic when we drag the brand revenue profit, sales trend line, and product line. So we can see that this dashboard gives an overview of overall business performance. It shows which brands generate the highest revenue and profit, which product lines perform best, and how sales trend over time. It helps identify top products and understand whether sales are improving or declining. Next, we want to make the second dashboard which highlight customer and channel insight. So we add a new dashboard and customer and channel insight dashboard. So we custom the size to the automatic and we drag the online versus offline and order number by brand. So here, we can see that this dashboard focuses on customer behavior and sales channels. It compares online versus offline performance and shows how different genders contribute to order numbers across brands. It helps understand customer preferences and which channels drive the most sales.
I'm going to make a story, then we go click down there, then change the size into automatic to full screen, and then we change the story title to business question. Then add question which brands generate the highest revenue and profit into the caption. Brand revenue and profit graph to down there. This graph explains the question by showing the selects have the highest profit and revenues. Next, we add blank new story point. And then we add the question, are sales growing seasonal? For this question, we need to drag sales trend line. From this graph, we can see that which month is the highest and which month is the lowest to see which month sales is growing. Okay, next we add blank new story point again, and then add next question, which product line should the company prioritize based on your sales proportion? And then we drag product line remap. This remap is suitable for discussion because we can see that the standard have the highest proportion, so company must prioritize standard product line. Next, we add blank new story point and add the next question, which is what is the distribution or proportion of order placed through offline channels compared to online channels? And then we drag online versus offline into down there. From the pie chart, we can see that there is not much difference, so company must prioritize both of the sales channels. Next, we add blank new story point again and add question which bicycle brand receive the highest number of order from both genders. And we drag order number by brand and gender, as you can see. From the graph, bicycle brand receive the highest number of order from both gender is Solex, followed by Giant Bicycle, and we are A to B.
So this is the end of our dashboard. Thank you.